Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday, Freaky Friday, or TGIF, depending on how you feel this morning. Last night, I prepared easy potato curry over white rice. Very simple Indian dish. It was really, really good. I have plenty of leftovers, and I even halved the recipe. Thank God I love Indian food. So try it. Enjoy it. If you need the spice blends, I have them available for you. All right. Tonight, I kind of reserve Fridays for this particular dish. Because I can use up some of the things that I didn't use throughout the week. And you'll see it when I tell you. So tonight is bow tie pasta with goodies. Let's get to it. Double Dutch ovens? Yeah, dual. One for the goodies, one for the pasta. Here's the bow tie pasta. This is one of my favorite shapes. Yep. All right. So we have kosher salt, black pepper, butter, lots of butter, extra virgin olive oil. I actually bought the zucchini for this dish. So zucchini, we got some garlic, got to have garlic. This is half a red bell pepper, which is left over, which will be chopping this up. Got to have onion, red chili pepper flakes, good old baby spinach, which is this. I've added this in the last second. I have plenty of it, and I hate to go to waste. And shredded Parmesan cheese. So here we go with tonight's bow tie pasta and goodies. So the weather is supposed to be really nice. Cloudy today, but that's okay. But it's supposed to be right around 80 degrees here in Sutter County, California. What are your food plans for the weekend? Do you have your Easter plans picked out yet? Let me know. All right, on this Freaky Friday, also known as TGIF, have a great day, eat great food, and always, my friends, have fun